Hello, Oak Hill community. My name is Amelie Aust. I'm the interim head of school. And this spring, we are launching an exciting fundraiser to rebuild the lower school playgrounds. When I came into Oak Hill a few months ago, one of the things that was clear to me is that families believe in this school and they want to give. But what they want to give to is something that is tangible and they want to have high impact. When I was thinking about what to raise funds for a spring fundraiser, I wanted to find something that affected the kids every single day, touched on not just their intellectual learning, but on their social, emotional well-being, and something that would build community. Our current play structures are used every day and they're still safe, but they are outdated, worn, and require constant care.
We followed the regulations, so every month we do an inspection to the entire structures and make sure that everything is safe for the kids. Every month we always find something that needs to replace. It's not a small replace, it's ongoing repairs that we have.
The fire marshal has worked with us to say, hey, the wood chips next to all these buildings within a rural setting have got to go. So we're really moving toward a concept with updated grading, drainage, and the rubber matting systems so that it's not only a safer playground, but responsible within our rural environment for fire safety. The thing to know about playgrounds and recess at Oak Hill is that the outside time is when the grades play. They meet kids that they don't normally play with. They learn from each other in a way that is not possible when they're in their small classroom environments.
I like playing out here because all the kids are really friendly.
I think the playground is nice because you can run around and get all your energy out and you can focus better in class.
Being on the playground really creates a community for us.
One of the core concepts of Oak Hill is the idea of community. And what better place for the kids to kind of come out and celebrate community than by being together on the playground. How to solve a problem when they're playing a game, or they learn to solve conflicts and they learn how to wait their turn. And it's just a beautiful thing to watch all of these social and emotional lessons that we have throughout the day kind of be put into action. And I think that with all that we're building here and with all the changes the school's going through, it's kind of a way of like signaling and showing everyone like, we're in this for the long haul and we're thinking about everyone in our community.
We're in the final stages of negotiating multiple bids. How much are we looking to raise toward the playgrounds? $250,000. How are we going to do this? First, I am thrilled to tell you that a generous member of our community has offered to contribute $100,000 as a match to kick us off. Two donors heard that and have come forward with another $25,000 in donations. Assuming we meet the match, we are halfway there already. I recognize that $125,000 is still a lot of money, but I'm confident between our families, extended families, and alumni, we can do this. If you feel compelled to contribute to this playground project, every dollar counts. Donations can be made by check or use the donate button on our website. Our timeline is quick. First, raise the funds this spring, and May is going to be the core month to do so. Students have been asking, how can I help fundraise? They're so excited about the project. So in the month of May, we're going to be doing a student-led can and bottle drive so that they can have a hand in building the playgrounds and building the future of the school. Our goal right now between the bids and our contractor is to be shovel-ready this summer and ready to play in the fall. I invite all of you to join me, to join us, to join together to the extent that you can and help fund these playgrounds. This is a big lift, but they call it an investment for a reason because play is just a critical part of our kids' education. So as we make plans for next year and also build our vision for 2030, upgrading these playgrounds and making sure that we have a fun, safe, exciting spot for these kids to play every day is a big part of building that future.